Hello everyone and welcome back to a new lecture, sorting data. Generally we get data in a random order but need to use it in a completely different order. We can use the sort underscore values function to rearrange our data to our needs, which is sort. Okay. So now let's load data from CSV. Import pandas SPD location is equals to. Now let's write down data sets, grade data dot CSV df is equals to pd dot CSV location df dot. Okay, so we have this. Now sort the data frames rows by age in descending order. Sorting by age descending. Now df dot sort values by is equals to age ascending is equals to 0. df. Okay, so we have this. Now sort the data frames rows by hours of study and then by exercise in ascending order. Now which will be df is equals to df dot sort values by grade age ascending is equals to df dot head. Okay, now your turn. Can you sort the data frame to order it by name, age, and then grade? Now let's write this question here. You have to solve that. Okay, so now let's move on to a new topic.